top 25 digital rising star. Finally, here she is, Sureerat Sakcharoenchaikun, Senior Digital Marketing Manager with Balfish, Thailand. So many congratulations, Sureerat. So kindly keep the trophy in front. Sureerat, if you can keep the trophy in front. Yeah, thanks. It's better. Many congratulations, Sureerat. How it feels to the recipient of this award?
Yeah, so this is my first time to get the prize on the digital marketing, all the long nights that I've been working and stuff. So yeah, I'm impressive that I got this prize, and also like hopefully I will get more in the future. Thank you.